Why would your furnace be making strange noises? There's a couple reasons for that. One, we have some moving parts inside. Piece here is called an inducer. What that does is it actually spins around, pulls the exhaust through the heat exchanger and out. Inside here, there's a fan blade, and if we lose one of those fins, and that does happen, it'll become off balance, it will shake violently, and you'll hear it upstairs, most definitely. The other is the blower. Same thing can happen there. If we don't have a great filtration system, dirt will accumulate on the blower wheel. It'll cause it to go off balance, or you could lose a fin or some things happen in there. Bearing on the motor, and those things there will make noise. The thing that can cause noise, a little less likely, is poor combustion. In the event that things were not set up properly, that could happen. Less likely on a furnace, more on a high efficiency boiler, but it is possible.